Hey Spices! My family and I like to live a healthy lifestyle during the week, and not only is being active part of it, but also eating healthy, which is why we cook a lot from our garden. And what is ripe in our garden is some spaghetti squash. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti squash in the Instant Pot. But stay tuned till the end of the video to find out a delicious recipe to cook with the squash. So let's go spice things up.
So the first thing we are going to do is prepare squash by taking the seeds out. And now we are going to add 1 cup of water and the trivet to the bottom of the pot. Now you'll want to add your spaghetti squash upside down so any liquid comes out of the squash. Now add your lid and turn your vent to sealing. And then you want to turn on the manual button and you want to cook it for 10 minutes, and then you can do a quick release or however long you want. Hey Spices, don't forget to like and share this video.
Alright, so now that we are back from hiking, we're just going to make sure, see there's no pressure in there. I'm going to open it up. So now we're just going to grab them with my little grabbers. A little hot, and put them in a bowl. And now I'm just going to dump this liquid out. Alright, so now I'm going to turn on the saute button. And now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to mince about 4 garlic cloves. And then stir that. And then I'm going to add my spaghetti squash. And then I'm just adding some fresh oregano and thyme that I picked from my garden. And a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And then just stir it until all the cheese melts. And then you're ready to eat. Time to give it a try. So good, healthy, perfect. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.